Example 3. A desert tortoise can go a year or more without drinking water. Wow. When it does drink, its body weight can increase by 40%. Suppose a desert tortoise weighs 15 pounds after a long period without drinking water. How many pounds can the tortoise gain when it drinks? Wow. Any ideas what we could do here? Quaza.
Find out what's 40% of 15 pounds.
Okay, how could I find 40% of 15 pounds? How do I do that, Spencer?
Put 15 in a fraction by 40%. I'm not sure.
Do you agree that, let me ask you this. Do you agree that 15 is 100%?
Yeah.
Do you agree that that's all of its weight? What if I asked you, what is 40%? Would that help? Does that make sense? 15 is 100%. What is 40%? I like doing those proportions. What should I do here, Henry?
X and 100 equals 15 times 40?
You want me to cross multiply?
Yeah.
So I'm going to get 100x is equal to 15 times 40. You guys have, that should be 600, is that right? Thank you. And then what should I do from there? Ross? Divide by 100 on both sides. That cancels. That means that x equals 6. Okay, so 15 is 100%. 6 is 40%. 6 pounds is 40% of the weight. Okay? Now, let's go back and see what the question asks us. How many pounds can the tortoise gain when it drinks? Well, looking at the math we got, Miles, how many pounds can it gain? 6 pounds. There we go. Miles, question.
Couldn't you also do 15 times 0.4?
Yes. Guys, I want you to listen to this question. If we said, what were we looking for to solve this problem? Can you give me the question? What were we looking for? Ross?
How much it'll gain?
What is
40% of 15?
What is 40% of 15 pounds? What is 40% of 15? Yes? That's exactly what we're looking for. Now, guys, let's take this question and convert it to algebra. How can I represent what? How can I represent what in math? Leo? X. How can I represent is in math? Alberto? No. How do I represent is, Dane? Equals. How do I represent 40 with a percent sign in numerical terms? How do I do that? How do I do that? I don't want it as 40%. I need to put it in a number. Kintaro? 0.4. Change it to a decimal, right? Or 0.40. What does of mean in mathematical terms? Nicholas? What does of mean? Spencer? No. What does of mean, Rex? Multiplication. Of always means multiplication. And I put 15 right there. What is 40% of means multiply 15? Now, this is called the percent equation. Guys, what do I get? X equals what? When you multiply 0.4 times 15, what do you get, Miles? 6. Well done. That works too. I think that this might be an easier way to set it up. Maybe. Right? But you could use also the percent equation. I use the percent proportion here. Okay? All right, good job, guys. Let's look at the last example.